How to enable dark mode in CoinEx. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can turn on the dark mode on the CoinEx application using your smartphone. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the CoinEx application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the homepage of CoinEx, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will take you to this next page where you need to scroll down, where you need to click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, tap on Appearance. Now on the next page, tap on Dark Mode and you have successfully enabled dark mode on CoinEx. You can switch back to white mode or light mode whenever you want by tapping on light mode under the same Appearances tab, and there you go. That's how you easily turn on the dark mode on CoinEx app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.